Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've updated Telegram and picked the video. Now start editing. Tap the video, then the pencil icon to open the editor. Once done, choose Subtitles from the editor menu. This is where you add or import caption files. Make sure your subtitles file is SRT or VTT if you plan to import, or choose Add Subtitles to type them directly. You're beginning the process now, so focus on selecting the correct language and timing options before moving to detailed alignment. You'll either import a prepared subtitle file or create captions manually. If importing, select the file and preview playback to confirm sync. If creating, type lines while listening and set start/end times with the scrubber. Once you have lines, drag blocks in the timeline to refine timing. Make sure pauses and speaker changes align. Also choose whether to burn in subtitles or keep them selectable. Burn-in makes them permanent. Selectable keeps them toggleable. These precise steps lock the content to speech. You're almost done. Save edits and send the video, then check playback on your device to confirm subtitles appear as expected. If timing seems off, reopen the editor and nudge problematic subtitle blocks by small increments such as 0, 25 to 1, 0 seconds to align speech and text. If recipients can't see subtitles, make sure you used SRT or VTT, included a language tag if required, and both sender and receiver run compatible Telegram versions. Troubleshoot these items and resend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.